You got them all! Yay!
That's all. You did it.
Yay! Give me 5.
Would you
Here you go.
like to play again?
What do you say?
Please
Uh-oh,
look at
there's
the
lots there.
musical
Can you get them all?
notes so we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the notes.
You got them all! Yay! Want me to hold it? You can hold it too if you want. You know.
That's all.
Okay, you can hold it.
Would you like to play again?
Yes? Go ahead.
Please click on the musical notes so we can count them.
Go ahead. Just be gentle with it. There you go.
2,
Can you say the numbers? 3, 4,
4,
5,
6,
6, 7, 8.
8.
You got them all! Give me 5.